Hello everyone. So this video will be a quick overview of my DIY project with regards to installing custom solar panels for my Ring Doorbell 2. Not Ring Doorbell version 2, Ring Doorbell 2 with the removable battery over here. For the project I used a old micro USB to USB-A cable, actually two, because I ruined one of them. I've also got two solar panels, 2.5 watt solar panels, 5 volt, off of Amazon, and I've connected them in parallel. So that's a custom theoretical 5 watt 5 volt solar panel. Something extra, yes, I've got some diodes installed both on the USB cable and on the solar panel itself. You can see it over here. Alright, so what I did was basically soldered the micro USB cable to the pins over here. Obviously marked clearly which one is the positive and which one is the negative, and did exactly the same thing at the back. Put a sticker as well, and put an extra insulation inside so I don't really touch any of the components. So we're doing this in order to harness the full power of the solar panel and connect it directly to the battery, as opposed to passing it through the Ring's circuitry, which actually expects an AC, not a DC current. That's why their website doesn't even mention it. It's in their forums where they mention that it actually just trickle charges. Any solar panel will just trickle charge the battery, as opposed to trying to fully charge it to utilize the DC current. That's why. So once marked, I just solder them, make the cable shorter so it can fit inside, solder them in, and once the battery is connected, then feel free to connect the cable as well. After that, it's just a matter of fitting the cable inside and closing the device. Connect the solar panel at the back, obviously positive and negative, very important, and you can check within the app if your battery is actually charging. Mine has been staying 100% since it's actually recognizing that the solar panel is connected to the Ring Doorbell. So yeah, that was my project. Thank you.